get into stand-up comedy?
I will never. I never say never anyway,
Okay.
but I don't have plans to.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right now, you don't have plans. Okay.
It's not something I think I can do, and I don't like to do what I do not know how to do.
You just want to focus on yourself, where you feel like you can actually explore and get better or be the better version of yourself.
Yeah.
Okay. So should we expect, let me say, any upcoming project from Nas Boi?
Upcoming project, yes. Project, yes. Music, yeah. I'm going to be releasing a song in a couple of days.
Okay.
Right.
You can give us an exclusive on MS Live.
And I wish. So there's a featured artist on the song, so we're still working, right? But I wish I could play here right now. I wish. I'm not gonna lie. So, but it's a part of it is on TikTok and it's currently trending with about 300 and something thousand videos. Okay. Right. So that's for that. Then my movie is coming up in about a month time.
A month. Okay. Yeah. Fingers crossed. We are waiting for it.
Yeah.
Dope. So with the project that you're talking about, apart from the movie, with the music, is it going to be EP or let me say a song for more album?
So I think I'll do an EP first before a project.
Okay.
Just an EP of about 4 or 5 songs, then before a project.
Okay.
Maybe next year.
Okay. So Nas Boi, anybody want to give shout outs to before we wrap up?
Okay. Shout out to first off, shout out to myself.
Okay.
For putting in a lot of work. Shout out to you for interviewing me. Shout out to every Ghanaian out there. I must say, you guys are really peaceful. Your country is amazing. Your food is, I can't lie. Your jollof is amazing. I'm not here to compare. Shout out to everyone behind the camera right now in the studio. Keep doing good. To every creative out there, stay unique, be good, don't copy. Stay spontaneous. If it's not working, jump to the next thing.
For real.
And have a beautiful day. Nas Boi there.
Nice having you in the studio, my brother. So
Thank
that's
you.
my brother Nas Boi, all the way from Nigeria. You can check him out on all streaming platforms. And he's out with a new song, very dope song. You can actually hear the song out featuring Kate, and it's called, what's the name of the song again? Letter to My Ex. So guys, you can go check it out on all streaming platforms. Guys, unfortunately, we have to wrap up on the show. I go by the name Mac Moulton. You can follow us on our socials, MSN4GH, hashtag MS Live. Love conquers all. Catch you same time, same place. Peace. I'm out. Stay easy.